The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. For millions of older adults, coffee is more than a ritual, it's a daily lifeline. That warm cup jumpstarts the day, brings comfort, and feels like a small piece of normalcy. But what if your morning brew could do more than wake you up? What if, with a few natural additions, it could actually help rebuild your strength, support your joints, and even protect your heart and brain? After 60, your body loses muscle at a rate of nearly 8% every decade, making each step, lift, or chore a little harder. Yet inside your coffee cup lies an untapped opportunity to reverse that decline. When combined with the right natural ingredients, coffee becomes more than a beverage. It becomes medicine for your muscles. Let's uncover 8 powerful additions, each backed by science, that can turn your morning habit into one of the healthiest parts of your day. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Vitality. By joining our community, you'll get regular tips, advice, and proven strategies to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. It starts with cinnamon, a spice long associated with comfort and sweetness, but secretly one of nature's most potent metabolic regulators. Cinnamon contains powerful compounds that calm inflammation, improve circulation, and most importantly, stabilize blood sugar levels. For aging adults, steady blood sugar is vital. When it fluctuates wildly, your body struggles to deliver nutrients to your muscles, leading to weakness and fatigue. A small daily sprinkle of cinnamon in your coffee can make a surprising difference. In one case, a 67-year-old retiree named Paul began adding just half a teaspoon each morning. Within a few weeks, he noticed his afternoon crashes were gone, his energy felt steady, and his fasting glucose improved dramatically. Science backs his story. Research shows cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and supports lean muscle maintenance. Choose Ceylon, or true cinnamon, which contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in excess. Simple, affordable, and aromatic, cinnamon transforms your coffee into a muscle-friendly tonic with almost no effort. Next comes cocoa powder, the same ingredient used in hot chocolate, but far more powerful when unsweetened and added to coffee. Cocoa is loaded with flavonols, plant compounds known to improve blood flow, relax arteries, and speed muscle recovery. For seniors, circulation is the key to vitality. When blood vessels stiffen with age, muscles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients, making every movement feel heavier. Adding a teaspoon of pure cocoa powder to your morning cup can flip that process around. One woman, 70-year-old Evelyn, tried it after reading about cocoa's benefits. She noticed within weeks that her morning walks felt lighter and her blood pressure readings improved. That's no coincidence. Studies confirm that cocoa flavonols enhance endothelial function, which improves oxygen delivery throughout the body. The subtle chocolate flavor also enriches your coffee's taste while working silently to keep your muscles and arteries young. As energy and blood flow improve, your body also needs a steady fuel source. That's where coconut oil, or MCT oil, comes in. While traditional fats take time to digest, medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are converted almost instantly into ketones, a clean energy source for muscles and the brain. For older adults whose cells often struggle to use glucose efficiently, this alternative fuel can be life-changing. Imagine replacing mid-morning fatigue with hours of sustained clarity and strength. That's what happened to Harold, 68, who began blending a teaspoon of MCT oil into his coffee each morning. His energy stabilized, his cravings disappeared, and he even lost several pounds of stubborn belly fat. The secret is consistency. Start with a small amount and increase gradually as your body adjusts. The result is a smooth, creamy coffee that keeps energy steady without sugar crashes. Coconut and MCT oil remind us that aging muscles thrive not only on protein, but also on smart fats that nourish from within. Speaking of nourishment, few people realize that adding milk, or soy milk, to coffee does more than lighten its color. It adds complete protein, the very material your body uses to maintain muscle tissue. After 60, every gram counts. Milk provides leucine, an amino acid essential for triggering muscle growth. while soy milk offers plant-based protein plus isoflavones that protect bone and heart health. Dolores, 72, had always taken her coffee black until her daughter, a dietitian, suggested a change. By adding half a cup of soy milk daily, Dolores began regaining strength in her arms and noticed her bone scan results improving. It's proof that a simple morning adjustment can deliver real physical results. For those sensitive to lactose, fortified soy or lactose-free milk offers the same muscle-supporting benefits without discomfort. Skip sugary creamers and use milk as nature intended. Your coffee will gain body, flavor, and strength in every sip. While milk fuels growth, collagen powder repairs the foundation. Collagen is the glue holding together muscles, joints, and bones, yet the body produces less of it each year after 60. This decline explains why knees ache, recovery slows, and stiffness sets in. Adding collagen powder to coffee is one of the easiest ways to reverse that loss. It dissolves completely, adds no taste, and delivers amino acids like glycine and proline that rebuild connective tissue. Robert, 70, who loved gardening but dreaded sore joints afterward, started mixing a scoop into his coffee. Within weeks, he noticed greater flexibility and less pain when kneeling. Scientific reviews confirm collagen supports joint health and bone density, reducing stiffness and increasing mobility in older adults. Combined with coffee's natural boost to circulation, collagen works its way to every tissue that needs repair, proving that even comfort drinks can be therapeutic. Of course, muscle repair isn't complete without a high-quality protein source. That's where whey protein powder earns its reputation as a senior superfood. Many believe protein shakes are only for athletes, but in truth, older adults benefit even more. As we age, our muscles become resistant to protein absorption, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. Whey protein, rich in leucine, overcomes that barrier by directly stimulating muscle synthesis. Helen, 66, skeptical at first, added a scoop of unflavored whey isolate to her coffee. Within a month, she felt stronger climbing stairs and noticed firmer arms. Clinical studies show seniors supplementing with whey gain more lean muscle and improve balance and mobility compared to those who don't. For best results, use whey isolate if you're sensitive to dairy. It dissolves easily and adds no sugar. With this single change, your morning coffee becomes a complete muscle-rebuilding meal disguised as a comforting drink. As muscles strengthen, digestion and anti-inflammatory support become equally important. Here's where chia seeds quietly shine. These tiny seeds, when ground and stirred into hot coffee, release a treasure of nutrients, fiber, omega-3 fats, and plant-based protein. Together, they combat inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and support healthy digestion. George, 70, who struggled with sluggish metabolism and belly fat, began adding a teaspoon of ground chia each morning. Within weeks, he noticed easier digestion, reduced bloating, and a gradual tightening of his waistline. Ground chia, rather than whole seeds, ensures full absorption of nutrients and adds a mild, nutty creaminess to coffee. For seniors, the fiber also supports heart health and helps control appetite, reducing midday snacking. This simple ritual improves how your body uses energy while keeping your joints lubricated and your muscles fueled naturally. Finally comes the golden powerhouse, turmeric with black pepper. This duo may look humble, but for seniors, it's a natural anti-inflammatory therapy rivaling expensive supplements. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps reduce inflammation, protect arteries, and improve muscle recovery. Yet curcumin alone is poorly absorbed. Add just a pinch of black pepper, and absorption increases by an astonishing 2,000%. That's the secret to unlocking its strength. Satoshi, 73, once gave up gardening due to knee pain, but after adding turmeric and pepper to his coffee each morning, he was soon back tending his plants pain-free. Studies confirm curcumin's ability to lower inflammatory markers and enhance joint flexibility. The warmth of coffee activates its potency, and the pepper ensures it circulates throughout the body. For those sensitive to its earthy taste, balancing with a little cinnamon or honey smooths the flavor. This golden mix not only relieves pain, but also supports the heart and brain, helping preserve independence as the years advance. These 8 natural additions, cinnamon, cocoa, coconut oil, milk, collagen, whey, chia, and turmeric, work together like a symphony for your body. Each one supports a different piece of the puzzle: metabolism, circulation, energy, muscle repair, joint health, and inflammation control. None of them require fancy equipment or expensive brands. Just your usual cup of coffee, a few teaspoons of natural ingredients, and a bit of consistency. Over time, they can transform how you feel each morning, restoring strength and vitality you thought were gone for good. Remember, aging doesn't mean decline, it means adapting smarter. A small ritual can build momentum for lasting change. Before making any changes, always consult your healthcare provider, especially if you take medication or have existing conditions. But know this, the science is clear. The nutrients that rebuild muscles and protect your body aren't found in synthetic pills. They're found in nature, in simple, everyday foods like these. Imagine waking up tomorrow, stirring in cinnamon for steady energy, cocoa for circulation, MCT oil for focus, milk for strength, collagen for recovery, whey for rebuilding, chia for endurance, and turmeric for relief. That's not just coffee. It's a daily act of self-care, a reminder that your body can still renew itself at any age. The choice is in your cup. Will your coffee simply wake you up, or will it help you rebuild your future one sip at a time? If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more science-backed tips on staying strong, healthy, and energized after 60. Your journey to a better you starts with a single cup and a simple click.